A sum of rupees 700, total rupees is 700, is to be used to give seven case prizes. Therefore, n is equal to 7 to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less its preceding prices, first prize or second, the difference between the first and the second prize, second and third prize, the difference is rupees 20. Find the value of each of the prices. Find the value of each of the prices. Here the total S7, sum of 7 prices. S7 is equal to 700 is given in this question. 7 case prices, total money is 700 rupees. And common difference D is equal to, and D is equal to rupees 20 less. Okay, D is equal to rupees 20 less, means D is equal to negative 20. Difference between difference between the two prices is rupees negative 20. Okay, and the total prices is 7. Here S7 is equal to 700 rupees. 7 case prices of the students of a school for their overall academic performance. Each of price rupees 20 less. तो फर्स्ट से सेकंड प्राइस का डिफरेंस कितना है 20 रुपीज. ओके, तो हमें उस n इज इक्वल टू 7, n इज इक्वल टू 7. To apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 7. Therefore S7 is equal to 7 by 2, 2a, n is equal to 7. 7 minus 1, 6 into common difference is negative 20. Okay, common difference is negative 20. S7 value is 700. 7 by 2, 2a plus minus minus 26 are 120. Okay, then find the value of a. 700 multiplied to 1400 divided by 7, that is equal to 2a minus 120. That is equal to 2a minus 120. Therefore 1400 by 7, that is equal to 200, is equal to 2a minus 120. Therefore 2a is equal to 200 plus 120. Therefore a is equal to 320. Sum of two terms 320 divided by 2. Therefore first price is rupees 160. Rupees 160. Okay, therefore first price, first term, otherwise first price, that is equal to A, is equal to 160 rupees. Second term, find the value of the each of the prices. That means first price is rupees 160. Second price, that is equal to A plus D, that is A2, that is equal to A2, and A2 is equal to A plus D. A is equal to 160, and common difference, that is equal to negative 20. 160 minus 20, that is equal to 140 rupees. Third price, that is equal to A plus 2D. A is equal to 160, 2 into negative 20, that is 160 minus 40, that is 120 rupees. Okay. Fourth price is equal to A4, that is A plus 3D, that is equal to 120 plus 3 into negative 20, 120 minus 60. A is equal to 160. 160 minus 60, that is equal to rupees 100. Similarly, A5, fifth price is, that is fourth term minus 20, that is rupees 80. A6 is equal to fifth term minus 20, that is equal to rupees 60. And seventh term, that is equal to 60 minus 20, that is equal to rupees 40. And sum of 40 plus 60 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 plus 140 plus 160, that is equal to rupees 700. 80, 100 plus 80, 180, 280, 400, 400, 540, 540 plus 160, that is equal to 700 rupees. Okay. Here, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree and section of class 2 will plant 2 trees and section of class 3 will plant 3 trees and so on up to n is equal to 12. There are 3 sections of each case. How many trees will be planted by the students? कितने trees plant किए होंगे? तो number of section in each section in each class, that is equal to 3, that is equal to 3, and total class 1 to 12. Therefore, total number of class that is equal to n, and that is equal to 12. 1 to 12 class. Okay, 1 to 12. Therefore, the given AP, what is AP? Third section, number of section 3 in first class. Okay, so plant number of trees in 3 into 1. Number of section in each class, that is 3. In second class, 3 into 2. Number of section in each class, that is 3. Multiply the class 3. Okay, up to number of section in each class, that is multiply with class 12. Number of section multiply class 1. Number of section multiply class 2. Number of section multiply class 3, and number of section multiply class 12. Clear? Therefore, AP is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 up to last number 36, and total number of terms, that is equal to 12. Here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3, and n is equal to 12, and last term an, that is equal to l, and that is equal to 36. मेन पार्ट क्या है? सीक्वेंस समझना है. 3 क्या है? नंबर ऑफ सेक्शन इन ईच क्लास, और ये जो फर्स्ट जो नंबर है, दैट इज द क्लास, class 1, class 2, class 3 up to class 12, and 3 is a number of section in each class. 3 means number of section in each class. Okay, so put this value in SN formula. SN is equal to n by 2a plus n, and last term, that is a 36. 12, 3 section in each class, multiply class 12. So class 12 के भी कितने section है? 3. So number of plant grow, that is equal to 12 into 3, that is equal to 36. Okay, here n is equal to, at n is equal to 12, A is equal to 3, and the last term L is equal to 36. Therefore, S12 is equal to 12 by 2, A is equal to 3, L is equal to 36, and 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Multiply 3 in plus 36, that is 39, and 39 into 6, that is equal to 234 plants. How many plants? Total number of plants, tree will be planted by the students. Therefore, 234 trees planted in a school. 234 trees planted in a school. Question number 18. that is a straight line, and A is a center of the circle, semicircles. A is a center. Draw a semicircle with radius 0.5 centimeter. Draw a circle. Draw a semicircle with radius 0.5 centimeter. Radius R1. R1 here, radius R1 is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Similarly, we take center B. Center B, draw a semicircle with radius 1 centimeter. R2 is equal to 1 centimeter. First, we take a center A and radius 0.5. We draw a semicircle. Then after we take a center B, draw a semicircle with radius 1 centimeter. Same to same. Next, we take a center A, draw a semicircle with radius 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter. R3 is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Up to 13 consecutive semicircles. Take next R4. R4 is equal to 2 centimeter with center B. Draw a semicircle with center B. And so on. Up to total number of semicircles is, total number 13 semicircles are there. That means R13. R13 is equal to, what is the radius of the first? 1 multiply 0.5. 2 multiply 0.5. 1 multiply 0.5, that is equal to 1 into 0.5. In first radius of the first semicircle 1 into 0.5. Radius of the second semicircle is 2 into 0.5. That is equal to 1 centimeter. In third circle with center A and radius 1.5, that is equal to 3 multiply 0.5 centimeter. Okay, similarly for R4. R4 is equal to 2 centimeters, that is equal to 4 into 0.5. 4 into 0.5, that is equal to 2 centimeters. Similarly, total number of semicircles are R13. 13 semicircles, 13 consecutive semicircles. That is equal to 13 multiply 0.5, and that value is 6.5. Radius R13 is equal to 6.5 semicircles. Clear? First one, 1 into 0.5. R1 is equal to 1 into 0.5. R2 is equal to 1 centimeter, that is 2 multiply 0.5. R3 is equal to 1.5, that is 3 multiply 0.5. R4 is equal to 2 centimeters, that is 4 into 0.5. Similarly, for 13 consecutive semicircles, R13 is equal to 13 into 0.5. That last semicircle radius is 6.5. What is the circumference of the semicircle? Otherwise, length of the semicircle. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of circle formula, that is equal to 2 pi r. So what is the formula of circumference of semicircle? Circumference of semicircle, otherwise perimeter of semicircle. Circumference of a semicircle, that is 2 pi r divided by 2. Half of the circle, that is pi r. Therefore, length of the semicircle is pi r. Okay, length of the semicircle is pi r. Therefore, the given AP pi into R1, first semicircle, pi into R2, pi into R3 up to pi into R13, because there are 13 semicircles. 1, 2, 3 up to 13 semicircles. Pi r. Okay, 2 cut. Therefore, circumference of a semicircle, that is equal to pi r. Okay. Therefore, here AP pi into 0.5 plus pi into 2 times 0.5. लिख सकते हैं 2 multiply 0.5 plus pi into 3 multiply 0.5. 1.5 means 3 into 0.5 up to 13 semicircle. Pi into 3 into 13 into 0.5. 13 into 0.5. Which term is common? Here pi and 0.5 is common. Here. So Sn means pi given sequence pi into 0.5, pi into 2, pi multiply 2 multiply 0.5, comma pi multiply 3 multiply 0.5 up to 13 semicircles. Pi into 13 into 0.5. And the sum Sn is equal to sum of these terms 0.5 plus in between sign plus pi multiply 2 multiply 0.5, pi multiply 3 multiply 0.5 up to pi multiply 13 multiply 0.5. Okay, therefore total term is 13, S13. S13, that is pi into 0.5 is common. Here pi multiply 0.5, that is pi into 1 into 0.5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to first 13 terms. Pi and 0.5 is common. Pi and 0.5 is common. Pi and 0.5 is common. And last pi and 0.5 is common. Therefore pi into 0.5 into bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 13 semicircle. Okay. Sum of first 13 semicircle. Sum of first 13 terms. Sum of first 13 terms. What is the formula of sum of n terms of an AP? Sn is equal to formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n natural number. That is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to pi into 0.5. N is equal to 13. 13 plus 1 by 2. Multiply 13. 13 plus 1 divided by 2. That is equal to pi 0.5. 13 into 14 by 2. What is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. 0.5 is 5 by 10. 13 by 2 into 14. 2 7 are 14. 7 7 cut. 5 2 are 10 and 11 2 are 30. 11 2 are 22. That total length is 11 into 30. The total length is 143 centimeter of the spiral. Therefore, total length of the spiral is 143 centimeter. Total length of the spiral is 143 centimeter. Chalo. Question number 19. Here, total number of locks is 200. Total number of locks is 200. Total lock is 200. In a first row, number of locks is 20. In a first row, A1, that is equal to A, that is equal to 20. In a second row, A2 is equal to 19. A3 is equal to 18 and so on. And total number of locks is 200. Total number of locks in 200. Therefore, how many rows? Find in how many rows are there 200 locks placed and how many locks are there in the top now. So what is n is equal to question mark and final an is equal to question mark. Final an is equal to question mark. An is equal to question mark. Here the given AP. Here AP is 20. Number of locks in a first row is 20. Number of locks in a second row, that is 90. Number of third row locks is 18 up to nth term. Up to nth term, and Sn is equal to 200. Sn and Sn is equal to 200. Total locks means Sn. Sn is equal to 200. What is the formula of Sn? Here A is equal to 20, D is equal to 90 minus 20, that is minus 1. Okay, to apply the formula of Sn, Sn is equal to 200. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First we find the n. Okay, a and d is given, then find the value of n. N by 2 as it is. 2 into a is equal to 20. Number of locks in a first row means base, that is equal to 20. N minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 200. So 2 multiply with 200 and 22 is 40 minus n minus plus 1 minus n plus minus 1 into n and plus 1, that is 200 into 200 multiply with 2. 200 multiply with 2. Therefore n 40 plus 1 41 minus n is equal to 400. So 41n minus n square, that is equal to 400. N square, transposing this term, n square positive, negative 41n plus 400, that is equal to 0. Splitting middle term, find the factors of 400. Its addition is 41. That is 25 into 16. 25 into 16, that is equal to 400. And 25 plus 16, that is 41. Minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. Splitting middle term. Therefore, which term is common? N is common in first two terms. Remaining term n minus 25. Minus 16 common, n minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 25, n minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 25 is equal to 0 or n minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, number of rows is 25 or number of row is 16. But that term is not possible. It is not possible. Why? Why it is not possible? Because in a first number of row, that the number of locks is 20. Therefore 25 row में नहीं हो सकता. 25 row means a plus 24d. A plus 24d, 25th term of an AP, that is a plus 24d. A is equal to 20 and 24 multiply with minus 1. So number of locks क्या आएगा? A25, that is a plus 24d. A is equal to 20, 24 into minus 1. 20 minus 24 minus 4 log is not possible. Negative number of logs नहीं हो सकते. Is not possible. इसीलिए n is equal to 25 possible नहीं है. So therefore total number of rows is, therefore total number of locks, total number of rows, that is n, that is equal to 16. Okay, and find the A16th term. An is equal to A16, that is a plus 15d. Find the top row, number of locks in a top row. A is equal to 20, 15 into minus 1, it is 20 minus 15, that is equal to 5. Okay, therefore 15th row number of locks is 5. Okay, therefore A16, 16th row number of locks is 5. Okay, that is a last row. Chalo. Question number 20. The distance between bucket and a first potato, that is equal to 5 meter. The distance between bucket and first potato, that is equal to 5 मीटर. स्टार्टिंग उन्होंने रेस यहां से की है, तो यहां तक आना, फिर वापस उसमें डालना. ओके, तो फर्स्ट में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया होगा? फर्स्ट टर्म that is equal to 2 multiply A1 that is equal to 2 into 5. Why 2 into 5? आना भी है और वापस जाना भी है. Okay, 2 into 5 that is equal to 10 meter. Second term, what is the second term of an AP? Second term is equal to A2. Total distance कितना होगा? 5 plus 3, 2 times 5 plus 3. Okay, 2 into 5 plus 3. 2 into 5 plus 3. That is equal to 2 into 8. That is equal to 16 meter. Distance covered by 16 meter. Okay. Similarly for third term. Third term is A3. And A3 is equal to 2 multiply 5 plus 3 plus 3. कितना होगा? 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 to 2 into 11, that is 22 meter. Up to total number of potatoes is 10. Okay, here. Therefore, the given AP अब क्या हो जाएगा हमारे लिए? 10, 16, 22 up to 10 terms. 10 terms हो गए because number of potatoes is 10. Because the number of potatoes is 10. What is A? Here A is equal to 10. D is equal to, common difference D is equal to 16 minus 10, that is equal to 6. And N is equal to 10. Then find the total distance Sn. Find the value of Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2 to A plus N minus 1 into D. Put N is equal to 10, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 6. Therefore S10, 10 by 2, 2 into A is equal to 10, N minus 1, N is equal to 10 minus 1, 9 into D, D is equal to 6. Therefore 10 by 2, that is equal to 5, 10 2s are 20, plus 50, 9 6 are 54, 20 plus 54, that is equal to 74, and 74 into 5, that is 370 meter. Therefore, the distance covered is equal to 370 meter to all potatoes, 10 potatoes in a bucket. Okay, that is equal to 370 meter.